Blacker than black. Yeah, man. Renza again, you know. You know, but just, man, I just realized, right? Just realized, I'll fix my camera. My camera is always slant. Or baby, I don't know if it comes out slant. I don't even be watching my videos, but listen. For years, you know what I mean? I've been, kind of don't like to share my life, like my real life and all that shit. You feel me? And right now, I really feel like that's what I need to do. You get what I'm saying? Yo, this thing look like it's about to fall. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like, look, I look better. Yeah. I feel like I need to share my journey, you know what I mean? And share my life and, you know, what I'm trying to get to, you know what I mean? I used to feel like, yeah, if I share my jinx and I'd feel embarrassed and you feel away and when things don't fall through where you want it. But every day things don't fall through. You get what I'm saying? So, yo, like, let me tell you, man, so let me let y'all know, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Renzo347, you heard? Yeah, man. And I'm an Uber driver, actually. You know, just drop somebody off, you heard? Yeah, that's what I do. I own a rental property, you know what I mean? That's another source of income, you know what I mean? You know, dealing with tenants, dealing with repairs, dealing with, you know what I mean? A bunch of stuff, you know what I mean? Even sometimes just dealing with pests in the house and all that stuff, you know, things break, all that stuff. As to the Uber driving, dealing with people, dealing with, you know, just people that come in don't want to talk. Some people come in, they talk, and then you have people that comes in and, you know, some people have to cancel their rides, you know what I mean? Because flip, you know, even just by how they text you, you realize, yeah, I don't want that person in my car. You know what I mean? So, yeah, and also I do music. You feel me? I do music. You know what I mean? You know, we recently even find out that I could use AI to do my music videos. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't. Yeah, I let it assist me, shoot the videos, let it assist me with the things that I might not be able to pay for. You know what I mean? I don't really believe in wasting money like that. You feel me? Because I feel like if I could use AI and it makes the video, it can make the video look real, and you know what I mean? I actually shoot the videos on the same phone that I'm doing. But then I use AI to assist certain things, bring certain things to life, bring certain things in, you know, even like models and stuff where I gotta pay like $500 a model, you know what I mean? Probably like 3, 4, 5 models I might need, and then I'm gonna, no, you know, I'd rather put that on a debt that I'm trying to pay off, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, currently trying to pay off some debts, guys, you know. We do business and we invest in our things, you know what I mean? And I just want to, I want y'all to come with me, man. Come with me on this journey, you know what I mean? Yeah, some people might feel a way about the AI thing and blah, 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 but I really don't care, you feel me? And I know my audience, you know, they understand. I'm not about to spend $3,000 on one music video where it might get like 500 or 5,000 views, you know what I mean? And there's no return on that, guarantee return on that, you know what I mean? And yeah, being straight up honest, I've never been this transparent ever. Feels a little bit good. It feels good. It feels freeing. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna see me documenting a lot of things, brother. A lot of things. You know? Yeah, you know, might document a customer that it's okay with being documented. You know what I mean? Kind of like, you remember like taxi cab confessions? Yeah, shit like that. You know what I mean? So you never know. You just never know what you might come here and see. You feel me? Yeah, man. So follow my journey. You know, going trying to get another investment property. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's just a lot of things. You know? Yeah. Listen, Zrenzo 347 Talks. You know what I mean? The music is up there on YouTube as well and on Spotify and stuff like that. But, you know, just the lifestyle. We're going to give you all the lifestyle, you know? The full-on lifestyle. So, blacker than black. And I'm out.